dinner also on time. Okay, understood everyone? Yes. So, what are we going to do today? Today, welcome to your English phonics class. Yes, welcome to your English phonics class. So, which letter we are going to learn today? Phonic sound of which letter we are going to learn today? Letter Z. Yes, letter Z. Z होता है ना? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Z will be the last letter of our alphabet. है ना? ABCD का last letter करने वाले हैं आज हम. And which one is that? That one is Z. Letter Z. Yes. But before that, we will do revision of phonic sound. Yes. Okay. So come on, everyone. We all have to do revision of phonic sound together. Okay. So you all have to do with ma'am. Yes. Okay. So let's start with letter A. What is the phonic sound of letter A? F F F F F F F. Yes. Letter A. F F F F F. Letter B. B, 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 B. Then letter C. K, 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 K. Then letter D. D, 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 D. Then letter E. E, F, E, F, E, F. Then F, 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 F. Yes. What is the phonic sound of letter F? Yes. Then F के बाद G. What is the phonic sound of letter G? G, 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 G. Yes. Then letter H. H. Yes. Then letter I. What is the phonic sound of letter I? E. 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 Yes. Then J. What is the phonic sound of letter J? J, 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 J. Yes. Then letter K. What is the phonic sound of letter K? K, 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 K. Yes, K, K, kite. Then letter L. L, U, L, U, L, U. Yes, L, U, lollipop. Yes. So, then what is the phonic sound of letter M? My tummy is full. What is the phonic sound of letter M? Mango. Mango. Then what is the phonic sound of letter N? When we speak M, then our lips get closed. Okay, lips बंद हो जाएंगे. And when we will say the phonic sound of letter N, our lips will be open. Okay. Yes, like that. Yes. So M and then O. What is the phonic sound of letter O? O, 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 O. Then P. What is the phonic sound of letter P? P. P. Yes. Then letter Q. Quack, 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 quack. Yes. What is the phonic sound of letter Q? Quack, 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 quack. Then R. What is the phonic sound of letter R? R. Yes. Then R. Then S. What is the phonic sound of letter S? Snake. 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 Then what is the phonic sound of letter P? Phonic sound of letter P is R S T. Sorry, what is the phonic sound of letter T? Yes, we will not say T. Okay, we will not say T. Okay, keep remember, my dear students, we will not say T. It is yes, it is tomato. Yes, like that. Okay, yes. So now we will see what is the phonic sound of letter U. U, U, umbrella. U, umbrella. phonic sound of letter Y? Eat your yogurt. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes. What is the phonic sound of letter Y? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes. An object starts from letter Y. Y, yak. Y, yo-yo. Y, yacht. Y, yarn. Yes. Now today we are going to learn phonic sound of letter Z. Letter Z. Yes. What is the phonic sound of letter Z? You all have ever seen buzzy bee? Yes. Bee क्या करती है? Buzz करती है ना? Buzz. Yes. Bee does buzzing. Yes. So what is the phonic sound of letter Z? Yes. Z is the phonic sound of letter Z. Phonic sound of letter Z. What is the phonic sound of letter Z? Buzz of the bee. Yes. नहीं बोलेंगे, हम बोलेंगे. Yes. We will not start from b. Okay. We will start from z. Yes. So what is the phonic sound of letter Z? Yes. So come on, you all have to do with me. Try once. What is the phonic sound of letter Z? Yes. Or else we can do like this. Yes. बी होती है वो फ्लाई कैसे करती है? Yes. Like that. Yes. We can use this action. Okay. Yes. So this is the phonic sound of letter Z. Now we will see objects starts from letter Z. Start from letter Z. Okay. Z for zip. Z for zip. Zip क्या होती है? We all wear pant. Pant की zip होती है ना? Yes. हम zip बंद करते हैं, खोलते हैं. Yes. So this one is zip. Yes. Z for zip. Then Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag. Zigzag pattern होती है? Yes. So zigzag. Then Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Then Z for zoo. We all want to visit zoo. We all love to visit zoo. What is zoo? That we all can see so many animals. Wild animals and domestic animals. Yes. So many animals, birds are there. Yes, in the zoo. So Z for zoo. Z zip. Z zigzag. Z zebra. Z zoo. Z zero. Zero number also there. Yes. Z zero. So what is the phonic sound of letter Z? Buzz of the bee. Yes. Yes. So my dear students, please practice this phonic sound. Okay. Yes. You all have to do practice at your home also. And if you have any query in this phonic sound, you all can call me. Okay. You all can ask me. Okay, my dear students. Yes. So now we will meet in our next class. Till then, bye bye everyone.